everybody, this is Melanie. Welcome back to Crafting Chaos with Melanie. I hope everybody's doing good today. In today's video, I want to highlight a small business. And let me preface this by saying this is not sponsored. This is not anything. I don't make anything from this. This is just something that I wanted to come on and talk about, especially in today's world, in today's economy, and seeing so many companies close in our crafting industry. I think it's important that we support all our fellow crafters. I'm a big supporter in small businesses, and if I can buy it through a small business, I do that. And recently I found Miss Kate from Miss Kate's Cuttables. Now, back in the day, she used to do like digitals, and I remember that. I remember her by the digitals, and I was watching a video. I want to say it was Carolina's Crafts, maybe, and she was showing her paper pack months and months ago. And I went to her website and I actually joined her monthly kit club, and wow, I am not disappointed. But this I wanted to show you. I went each month, I want to say, or maybe it's even weekly on Mondays. I think every Monday she has a paper pack on sale. Now last month, what is this? We're in May, so this was April. She was having a sale, and I went on, and I think I give $6.99 for this paper pack. I'm not 100% sure. What I have in here, I will link. You can definitely go check her out. And I'm not saying, like, I'm a big supporter of paper in general, guys. I have so much paper. I could never buy a sheet of paper again and probably make it through the entirety of my life, a long life. I love paper. It's my thing. I love it. And I have in the past been very guilty of buying it and hoarding it. And I'm not doing that. I'm buying it. I'm using it. So I wanted to showcase how her papers come, how much you get, and what amazing quality it is. So I know we love our Echo Parks and our simple stories, and, you know, Prima. I have all these Mente, and I do love them. Don't get me wrong, I love them. But I think it's so fun to find this small business who can very well compete with those papers, and in some aspects is so much better. And when I mean so much better, the quality and the quantity. I am amazed at what you get with her paper collections. Okay, so this is called Mayflower's Paper and Sticker Kit, Miss Kate's Cuttables. And I don't know what year this is from. This was on sale last week before last. And this is your front sheet. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? That's what I thought. And look at the back. The back is a full sheet of paper. A full sheet of paper. So what you get in here, you get 20 sheets of paper, 39 designs, one 8x12 sticker sheet, and there's more than 60 sticker sheets, 4 sheets of 3x4 elements, and 1 sheet of 4x4 elements. Perfect for your mini albums and your folios. If you're doing May's Year of Folios, guys, this paper, I'm telling you. All right, so I just wanted to show you. Look at the quality of this. This is beautiful. It's beautiful heavyweight paper. You have the back. There's your 4x4 cut-aparts. Oh, that's so pretty. I haven't looked at this yet. Butterflies, there's your 3x4 cut-aparts. Oh, this is so pretty. If I was guessing, I would guess this was last year's April because of that Happy Mother's Day. Here you have kind of a solid. I would call that a solid. And on the back you have more cut-aparts. Look at these cut-aparts. I hope the camera is picking this up. More butterflies. And I just want to showcase just the beauty. Oh my goodness. You know what this reminds me of? This reminds me of Anna Griffin 100%. Look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at these. These papers are stunning. Oh, I cannot wait. I'll show you what I make with this, because this is, I'm taking this. I'm actually going to Craft Acropolis, and I have, look at those bees. Boy, that's different. Look at the bees. Oh, so cute. Anyway, I'm going to Craft Acropolis next week, and I'm real excited to go. And I'm going to be taking this paper pad with me to use. I'm trying to finish up some folios, and I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm not taking a lot. Usually I take so much stuff and I never touch it. And I'm not. I'm being very, very precise on what I'm taking. All right. Look at these. Look at that paper. You have beautiful brights. You have neutrals. You have what I would call solids. Look at that. Oh, okay, that right there. Let's just swoon for a minute. Oh, these are so beautiful. I hope she still has this one, guys. This is just a must. Okay, so that's that paper collection. And this is Mayflower's paper and sticker kit. And these are the stickers. Okay? Isn't that pretty? Oh my goodness, that's so pretty. I took them out of the plastic so I didn't make a bunch of noise. So I'm going to set these to the side. Okay, our next one is Wildflower. And I got the cardstock to go with this one. Wait till you see this. Alright, this was, avalanche. The story of my life. Oh, and let me tell you, there's a giveaway. It is National Scrapbook Weekend, this coming up weekend, and due to all the craziness, I didn't get a lot of videos done as far as celebrating National Scrapbook Day. I mean, it's a big day. So I am going to be giving away a paper collection, and I will show you the paper collection. And this is the video you will want to comment on, and I will pull a name randomly from this video for National Scrapbook Week, and I will give it, you have a week until, let's see, what is today? Let's go to the following, let's go the day after Mother's Day, that Monday, and I'll put the date in the description because I don't have anything handy to look at the description. Okay, so this is Wildflower. This is the paper and sticker kit. Again, you get this one. It's 39 designs, 8x12 sticker sheet, 5 sheets of 4x4 elements. So this is all 4x4 elements. Maybe. I don't think it is, actually. Look at these. Now, these are different. These are more... Oh, look at these. Oh, my goodness, guys. Isn't this gorgeous? There's a 4x6 down there. Look at that teal. Oh, my goodness. I love this Wildflower. Look at these. How pretty. These are great spring, summer paper collections here. And this has definitely got an antique feel to it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Look at these. Oh my goodness. Look at that one. Here we go. These are so pretty. Look at that. Oh, the coordination of these is incredible. It is incredible. So you have your like really busy large prints, then you have more of your neutral solid prints. Look at this, how pretty. Oh my goodness. Oh, these are stunning. Alright, there's your sticker sheet. Now with this, I went ahead and the cardstock bundle was available with this one, so I did grab that. This is Wildflower Paper and Sticker Kit. And wait till you see this cardstock bundle. Wait till you see this. This is your Wildflower Printed Smooth cardstock. There's 2 of each. There's 32 sheets. There's 32 sheets of cardstock here. Front and back. No, just the front. I'm sorry, this isn't double-sided. Look at this. 32 sheets. That is how you do a cardstock bundle. I'm sorry. This is how you do it. That is one of my biggest pet peeves with your other companies. They do like 6 sheets of cardstock. And if you're an album maker, guys, 6 sheets of cardstock is just not going to do it. Look at this. Beautiful. And the price is amazing. All right, one more. Now, since it is summer, this is what I will be giving away. This is Summer Sunshine Paper Collection. This is single-sided. This is a special edition she did for, I think it's like a cricket thing she's doing. And I wanted to get it. And, wow, look at this. So you have 18 sheets in this one. No, 16 single-sided sheets. And this is 12 by 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have 3 sheets of each color. So this is the giveaway right here. So make a comment. Tell me what your favorite season is. I think that would be a good comment. What is your favorite season? Mine's fall, just straight up. Look at this paper. Now this one's different. Where this is a special edition, this is white. So that is a little bit different. But look at these, how pretty. Oh my goodness. What a gorgeous album you can make with this. Look at these. These colors are gorgeous. And this is one of y'all's. This is the, oh my goodness. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Vibrant summer colors. Oh, this is gorgeous. All right. So you get this. And then you get the cardstock pack to go with it. Now, I'm not going to get the cardstock out. I'm just going to show you. Well, shoot. I'm trying to be gentle with it, guys. All right, here's your cardstock. Look at these. Oh, you get 3 sheets each. Look at this. Oh, this is stunning. This is stunning. Okay, so I just wanted to come on really quick and tear your ears up with that plastic. I am so sorry. And just show you this company. I love her. I have been a subscriber now for, I think I'm on my 4th month. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Go check her out. Show her some love. If you're a scrapbooker, if you love paper as much as I do, if you want to support a small company with unbelievable quality, every Monday you get an email from her with a paper pad on a paper collection on sale. Her sales are incredible. I will link everything down below. Again, this is not sponsored in any way. This is just me reaching out to, you all. And I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. I hope you're able to craft and to have fun. Again, make sure you leave a comment. This is the collection that I am giving away. This is U.S. only. I do have to say that. There's no way I could ship this overseas. I am so sorry. I am so sorry. So this is U.S. only. I've learned I've had to say that. So, guys, I hope y'all have a great day. Give me a like and subscribe. I will see you again soon.